Hello my best friend, I hope you are good. So in this video I want to walk you through how you could be able to get cryptocurrencies from P2P. And in this tutorial we want to see how to get USDT on Bybit P2P, right? So USDT is a cryptocurrency, a stable coin that you can use to buy other cryptocurrencies. So for you to get this trade any cryptocurrency, you need USDT first, or Bitcoin, but we are going to be getting USDT. So if you haven't verified your account yet on Bybit, you will not be able to buy on P2P. And you have to make sure you verify your account by clicking on this profile icon. Okay, click on this profile icon and click on verify and go through the processes. You can use your NIN, you can use your passport, you can use driver's license and national ID card, right? So mine is verified already, and the next thing we want to do once you are done with the verification, I might make a video on that, but I don't think it's difficult. Just click on verify and you see the requirement. So now you want to go to assets at the bottom right corner of your screen. So I'm going to click on assets. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on deposit. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on P2P trading. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you have money in your account. Don't come and open a trade without funds, right? You have to make sure that you have money readily available to get the USDT that you are looking to buy. All right. And you have to make sure that you don't send from your sister's account, your brother's account, your dad's account, your wife's or your husband's account, your friend's account. You have to make sure you send from your account that bears your name, the name you have on your legal documents. That is your name, the name you have on your identity documents, like your passport, NIN, driver's license, and all. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you input the amount of money you want to use in buying, right? But let me explain some things for your understanding. Quantity, if you see quantity, it means this is the quantity the seller has for sale, and it's going to see, after quantity you are going to see the amount the seller has for sale, and you are going to see limit. Limit means the least, sorry, limit means the least amount, the least amount of USDT the seller can sell. All right, but to bypass all these limit, quantity, and all those stuff, just input how much do you even want to buy. In this case, I want to buy $100 worth of USDT. So we know that dollars is about 130k, sorry, 1,300. So in this case I want to use 130,000 naira. Okay, then once I've been able to do that, I'm going to see people that are ready to sell. All these people that are ineligible, you can't trade with them. That is why you don't even see a buy button. Okay, the people you can trade with are these ones, and you can see the quantity of this person. The quantity has 1,800 and something, and the least he can sell, which is the limit, is 80k per transaction to 2 million naira. That's the limit. So now I'm buying from him. Another thing is that he is active. That is why you see online. So I'm going to click on the buy button because I have the funds ready. Okay, or sometimes you might want to check the credibility of some sellers. You can see this person is verified, and he has been able to close 1,000+ trades, and his rating is 99%. That means I think he used to release people's funds immediately when he has gotten payment. So, but the problem is that he is not eligible. I don't know what the problem could be. He's not eligible to trade. So I think I will just go with this guy. Okay, so I'm clicking on buy, and I'm going to put how much do I want to buy? I'm going to put 130,000. It's going to give me, have you seen the equivalent, right? Sometimes if you don't want maybe the Naira equivalent, you can say with crypto, choose with crypto. Okay, with crypto I can just type $100, but I just need that fraction. Okay, I'm going to type 130. So now I'm going to click on the buy button. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now the next thing I have to do is I want to skip all those steps, because so now we have contact seller. Okay, so you can chat with someone you want to buy. Okay, he has dropped his phone number and I can even call him, but here I can chat him, say, are you active? Are you active? I want to pay now. Okay, so I believe he's active, and you have to make sure that you make payments within this time frame. You have to make sure you have network, because if you pay after this time frame, he has replied my chat. So if you pay after the time frame, after this time frame has elapsed, you're on your own, but somehow you can be rectified. But always make sure you have a good network, you have money available before you even think of initiating trades. So I'm going to click on go to pay. So now this is the exact amount of money I'm going to be sending, 130k, and this is the person's account details. All right, I will be sending from my OPay account. So I'm going to my other phone now to make payment from my OPay account. I'm going to make the transfer into his account, and once I am done with the payment, as I'm talking to you, I am currently typing the person's account details on my other phone, right? So I have to make sure I confirm if the name of the person is the same thing like from my app, right? So I've been able to confirm that the name is correct, and now I'm making payments. All right, so I go ahead and pay. All right, good. I've been able to pay him. So the next thing I have to do is to click on, I'll click on payments completed. So they say to avoid restriction P2P trading. To avoid restriction P2P, please ensure payments are made from this an account that matches your registered name, Emmanuel Jacob. I'm going to click on confirm. Then I'm going to click on payments completed. Now I've been able to pay him. The next thing I want to do is I can chat him again by clicking on contact seller and tell him paid. Right, I can even send him screenshots of the payments. I will allow my, okay, I will just go and snap it. Sorry, right, good. So I'll go back to the application, and okay, I have sent him the screenshot of the payments. All right, so now I'm waiting for him. You can see pending coin release. So I'm waiting for him to release the coin. I can refresh, and I believe I'm going to receive a notification once he has confirmed my payment and has released the coin into my wallet. So that is it for that, and yes, you are going to see it once he's able to confirm the payment, and you are going to see it once he has released the coins into my wallet. That is all for how you can get USDT from how to get USDT from Bybit, right? So now, as you can see, I've been able to successfully get this USDT, and it has been released into my wallet. So I can click on view assets, and you can see it here. So I have it under funding account, and before I could be able to use it to trade, I will have to move it from funding to spot wallet by clicking on transfer, and I'm going to click on this button, right, to move the funding wallet upward. And now I'm going to change this one from derivative account to spot account. Then since I want to move everything, I'm just going to click on max, which is maximum. I'll click on confirm, and that is all. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to use the money you have been able to, the USDT you have been able to buy to trade cryptocurrencies on spot. Right, see you in the next one. Bye.